In this video, you will learn how to measure reach and frequency across groups of campaigns with Brand Report, a new reporting experience in Google Ads, which allows advertisers to measure KPIs, identify insights, and understand performance drivers. It is the working evolution of the cross-media reach tool in Google Ads, otherwise known as XMR, and the unique Reach Audience Report, bringing the best of video reporting to both internal and external users in Google Ads. Use Brand Report to answer questions across groups of up to 10,000 campaigns like, what was my average reach and frequency over the last 90 days? How efficient was my CPM last month? What is my average frequency for women ages 25 to 54? Or what devices are driving higher reach and frequency? To navigate to Brand Report, open an account in Google Ads. Next, click Campaigns on the left-hand sidebar, and then click the drop-down under Insights and Reports, and click on Brand Report. Once on the Brand Report homepage, you can select multiple campaigns or create and save a group of campaigns to refer back to in the future. Adjust your date ranges using the date picker. The top-line metrics bar includes unique users co-viewed, frequency, impressions co-viewed and single view, cost, and CPM. You can also slice data by demographics such as age and gender. Brand Report also displays 5 different charts that provide an overview of reach by demographics, frequency by day, week, and month, ad format, devices, and locations at the country level. Charts with a drop-down allow you to toggle between unique users and frequency. Data can be exported at the report or chart level. Click the Download button on the main menu bar, or download a specific chart by clicking the 3 dots in the right top-hand corner. Today, Brand Report supports video campaigns, including video reach, demand gen, video view, instant reserve, as well as display and app campaigns. Brand Report does not support shopping, Performance Max, or search. Want to learn more about video reporting in Google Ads? We've got you covered. Check out our Help Center for more information.